Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine. And you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss a lesson. 8th class English lesson. The name of the lesson is, can you say the name of the lesson?
Yes.
The mountain and the squirrel. The mountain and the squirrel. Okay? Yes. The mountain and the squirrel. Mountain means what? पर्वत पहाड़ पहाड़ বা पर्वत and the squirrel means what? Lepromusa gundichumusa. Look at the picture below. Here is the picture. This is a picture of a squirrel. This is the picture of a mountain. So look at the picture below. Can you name them? ता ना कही पारिबो कि can they talk like talk means कथाबार्ता बा can they talk like human beings? Human beings मनुष्य भଳି ସେମାନେ ମଣିଷ ଭଳି କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ହେଇପାରନ୍ତି କି? ଡୁ ୟୁ ଥିଙ୍କ ତମେ ଭାବୁଛ କି? ଦେ ଶୋ ଦେମସେଲ୍ଫସ୍ ଅପ୍ ସେମାନେ ନିଜର ପ୍ରାଉଡ଼ି ଦେଖେଇ ହୁଅନ୍ତି କି? ଫୁଲେଇ ହୁଅନ୍ତି କି? वी पीपुल डू सो आमे ଲୋକମାନେ ଏମିତି କରୁ. ପିପୁଲ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ଲୋକମାନେ. वी नाउ लेट अस रीड ए पोएम. आमे ଚାଲ ଏ ଗୋଟେ କବିତା ପଢ଼ିବା. हाउ एन ऑब्जेक्ट एंड ए क्रिएचर केमिति गोटे वस्तु प्राकृतिक वस्तु एंड ए क्रिएचर प्राणी इन दि पोएम यही कवितार टॉक लाइक ह्यूमन बीइंग्स मनुष्य भली कथाबार्ता हुअन्ति. टू शो देमसेल्व्स अप निजे निजर बढिमा देखै हुअन्ति. ओके फुलै हुअन्ति. यस दिस इज दि पोएम. कुड अंडरस्टैंड दिस इज दि poem. The mountain and the squirrel had a quarrel. Once there was a quarrel between a mountain and a squirrel. Could understand? Quarrel means jhagada. Between whom? Between whom? The mountain and the squirrel. Who had a quarrel? The mountain and the squirrel had a quarrel. And the farmer here, farmer refers to the mountain. The mountain, the farmer means the mountain called the letter means the squirrel, little prig, tingiri, ତାକୁ ଡାକିଦେଲା ଏମିତି. ହୁ ଦ ମାଉଣ୍ଟେନ୍ tingiri ବୋଲି ଡାକିଦେଲା. Little prig. Born means the squirrel replied. When the mountain called little prig, born by squirrel felt ashamed, insulted, and he replied. Born means here the squirrel replied, you are doubtless very big. ताको कहला you are no doubt very big. निश्चिंत तू बहुत बड़. But all sorts of weather सब प्रकार पाग. Weather means पाग, sorts means प्रकार. But all sorts of weather सब प्रकार पाग must be taken it together. एकाठी नेबाकू पड़िबो. टू मेक अप ईयर गोटे वर्ष पाई आमे सब प्रकार वेदर नेबाकू पड़िबो. एंड ए स्पेयर गोटे गोलोक बा आमर पृथ्वी तैयार करिया पई. कुड अंडरस्टैंड? सो in order to make this world live, we need small things and big things, good and bad things. That means all things are necessary for it. And a spare. And I think it is no disgrace. आमु भाबुची एटा किछि गोटे अलाजुग कथा नुह बा एटा गोटे किछि गोटे असुविधा कथा माने डिस्ग्रेस नॉट टू ऑक्युपाई माई प्लेस. मोर भाया गोटे छोटिया स्थान ऑक्युपाई मतलब अधिकार करियाटा किछि गोटे खराब कथा नुह, डिस्ग्रेस नुह, लज्जाजनक कथा भी नुह. If I am not as large as you, ମୁଁ ଯଦି ତୋର ଭଳିଆ ବଡ଼ ନାହିଁ, you are not as small as I, ମୋର ଭଳିଆ ତୁ ସାନ ନାହିଁ. Could understand or not? If I am not as large as you, you are not as small as I. And not half so spry. ଏବଂ ମୋର ଭଳିଆ ମୋଠୁ ମୁଁ ଯେତିକି ଆକ୍ଟିଭ ଚଳଚଞ୍ଚଳ ତାର ଅଧା ବି ତୁ ନୁହଁ. ନିଦା ବିଷ୍ଣୁ ଭଳିଆ you are sitting just like you are just standing, making no movement. ଗୋଡ଼ ହାତ ଚଳେଇ ପାରୁନୁ. I shall not deny, ମୁଁ ମନା କରିବିନି. You make a very pretty school trek. ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍କୁଲ ଟ୍ରେକ୍ କରିପାରୁଛୁ ବୋଲି ମୁଁ ମନା କରିପାରିନି. Talents differ. ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ଲୋକଙ୍କର ସାମର୍ଥ୍ୟ, ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ଲୋକର ଦକ୍ଷତା, ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକର ମେଧା ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା. All is well and wisely put. କିନ୍ତୁ ସବୁ ଜାଗା ଭଲ, ଅତି ଚତୁରତାର ସହିତ ଯୋଉଠି ସେଇଠି ରଖାଯାଇଛି. If I can't carry forest on my back, ମୋ ପିଠିରେ ମୁଁ ଜଙ୍ଗଲ ବହନ କରିପାରିବିନି, ଯଦିଓ କରିପାରିବିନି. Neither can you crack a nut. ତୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଗୋଟେ କୋଳି ମଞ୍ଜି ମୋର ଭଳିଆ ଭାଙ୍ଗି ପାରିବୁନି. ମୁଁ ତୋର ଭଳିଆ ଜଙ୍ଗଲ ମୋ ପିଠିରେ ବୋହି ପାରିବିନି କି ତୁ ମୋର ଭଳିଆ ହ୍ୱାଟ କୋଳି ମଞ୍ଜିକୁ ଫଟେଇ ପାରିବୁନି. Could understand or not? That is your weakness. ତୋର ମଧ୍ୟ ଦୁର୍ବଳତା ଅଛି. This is the flaw with you. ତୋ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଅଛି. Why are you so proud of it? ଏତେ ଗର୍ବ କାହିଁକି ଲୋ? Who asked whom? The squirrel asked the mountain. Actually, who started the quarrel? The mountain started this quarrel. If the mountain had not said anything, the squirrel would not have insulted the mountain. ତାକୁ ଜମା ଇନସଲ୍ଟ କରିନଥାନ୍ତା. Could understand? The mountain raptured the squirrel. And the squirrel, do you know what a squirrel did? The squirrel badly injured the mountain. The squirrel attacked the mountain badly. Could understand? So, the Raphael Waldo Emerson is the poet of the poem. Okay. Next one is comprehension questions. What is the poem about? The poem is about a quarrel, about a quarrel between whom? Tell. Between the mountain and the squirrel. Okay. Who had a quarrel? The mountain and the squirrel had a quarrel. What does the former refers to and the latter? The former refers to the mountain and the latter refers to the squirrel. Who started the quarrel? The mountain started the quarrel. Who called whom little prig? The mountain called the squirrel little prig. Did the squirrel take it easy? No, the squirrel did not take it easy. ସହଜରେ ଗ୍ରହଣ କଲାନି. How did he feel about it? He felt insulted about it. What makes up a year? All sorts of types of weather. WEATHER. Weather means ପାଗ. Taken together make up a year. What makes up the sphere? All sorts or types of weather taken together make up the sphere. Okay. Number 10. What did I say? Number 10. Yes. Does the squirrel feeling inferior to be a tiny creature? No. The squirrel does not feel inferior, nikrushta. To be tiny, tiny बोले क्षुद्र creature प्राणी. क्षुद्र प्राणीटीए होई स्कुरिल निकृष्ट अनुभव करे नाही. Which line tells us? The line that is, and I think it is no disgrace. This line tells us that the squirrel does not feel inferior to be a tiny creature. 11. Question number 11. The mountain is big. What can it do and what cannot? The mountain is big. It can carry forests on its back. It can carry forests, carry. C-A, carry. C-A-R-R-Y, carry forests on its back. ता पिठीरे जंगल बोई पारियो. But it cannot crack a nut. Crack a nut. Cannot crack, भांगिवा. Crack a nut. Nut means कोली मंजी. Carry forest, but cannot crack a nut. Could understand? Next, the squirrel is small. What can it do and what cannot? The squirrel is small. It can crack a nut. It can crack a nut, but cannot carry a forest. Could understand? What does I in the last two lines refer to? I in the last two lines refers to the squirrel. How are they different from each other? The mountain is very big, but the squirrel is very small. The mountain can carry forests on its back, but the squirrel cannot. The squirrel can crack a nut, but the mountain cannot. Okay. What do you mean by all is well? What do you mean by all is well? The expression all is well means all things are in the right and all things are in the right and satisfactory position. In the proper, all things are right. All is well means all things are right. Wisely put means what? Yes. Wisely put means all the things are kept in the right position, in the right place. Who talks more in the poem? Who talks more? Do you think he is a little bit quarrelsome? The squirrel talks more in the poem. Yes, I think he is a little quarrelsome. Quarrel झगड़ा ककुड़ी कलिहुड़ी. Quarrelsome means कलिहुड़ी. Do you find such people among us? Yes, we find such people among us very often. बहुत समय हमें पाओ. Next one is that is question number 19. Who of the two do you like more? Why? I like the mountain more than the squirrel because it is silent and never argues with the squirrel to prove its superiority. Next, find the rhyming words in the poem. Squirrel, quarrel, year, spear, make, track, bake, prig, big, disgrace, place, farmer, letter, weather, together, I, spray. Okay, with this, that is the end of today's lesson. We shall discuss the other parts in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.